Yo, what is up, boys? What is up? What is up? What is up? What is up, guys? How is everyone doing? Good morning, afternoon. Good afternoon for me. Man, the EA just took another sniper entry, guys. The EA is fucking crazy, guys. I'm telling you, the EA is insane, guys. What a machine. What a machine. Crazy stuff, guys. Crazy stuff. What is up, boys? Good morning, everyone. Today's live too. I mean, guys, you're gonna get bored of being on lives at this point. Well, all of you love lives, so if there is one thing you're not going to run out of, is lives. Not this. Let's go, boys. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, everyone. When is Dylan actually going to trade live? He's been trading live every day this week. Let's go. Welcome, everyone. The EA, guys. The EA took a crazy sniper. Crazy sniper. This is automated. I did not take this. It's the EA that trades my strategy. Took a trend reversal 2 from over here, which actually I had my eyes on the back of my head, but the EA isn't afraid to execute like us human beings sometimes are. But the EA is at 100% win rate this week. Man, the EA is just crazy, guys. Like it really is a crazy machine. It really is a crazy machine. Oh, and let me share the live. Good morning, everyone. Oh, that's the live stream. I mean, it's only explaining the setups, which he could easily do from pre-recorded videos. No, he analyzes live with all of you, and then he goes live again when price approaches the zones. And trades live. Let's go. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, everyone. We are grinding, boys. We are grinding, boys. We are grinding. Okay, guys, I just need to do some important things and I will share the link to the live with everyone. Just give me a few moments. Just give me a few moments. Bro, how much would profit if you hold the 8.77 lot size from 300 and from 3 to 4k? Too much, guys. I wouldn't be live for the rest of the year. I think I wouldn't be trading for the rest of the year. That was the case. I would not be trading for the rest of the year. Man, the EA took such a crazy trade. Well, not such a crazy trade, but such a crazy snipe. Let's see if it holds. I'm looking at a bit higher, but there is. The EA took a trend reversal too on the lower time frames. Man, it is a crazy beast. Like, it really trades same way I trade. It's crazy, guys. Like, it is really crazy. Like, it's genuinely making you guys a lot of money. Nice, that's beautiful, guys. Let me share the link with everyone. That's just some crazy stuff, boys. Man. Ah. My strategy is free for all of you guys to learn. It is free for all of you guys to learn. We would have been 250k USD. Something crazy, guys. But that's not realistic, because whenever I want to get greedy with a trade, price taps me out on break even. Whenever I don't want to get greedy with a trade, price gives me an insane 1000 pip runner. Therefore, I figured out it's better to just be realistic, take partials, and that's it. Let's go, welcome everyone. 500 pips is too much. I mean, well, we got a trade 2000 pips. For me, catching 500 pips, those of you that follow me for a while, I mean, catching 5000 pips is nothing extraordinary for me. It's not super common, but it's, well, it is quite common. I mean, I believe once or twice every single month we catch 500 pips, almost every single month. Once or twice every single month we catch 500 pips. It's nothing too crazy, but obviously it's runners. I mean, guys, I wish I was catching 500 pips full lot size. I mean, I would be so rich, so stupidly rich, but it's not the way trading works, guys. It is not the way trading works. Unfortunately for us, that's not the way trading works. By the way, guys, I bought today the new iPhone. Man, it's bigger than the, or it feels bigger at least than this one. You will see. We will see this new iPhone. If there is one thing, guys, you don't want to be scared of investing in is, and what, well, at least one thing I'm never scared of investing in is what I use for work. So iPhone, best computer, best stuff, best education, best mentors, best coaches. That's the one thing you should never be scared of spending your money in. Okay, because some of you guys will spend $2,000 in sneakers, in shoes, in clothes or whatever, but then we'll be afraid to spend $2,000 on a phone, which this for me it's a fucking printing machine. I mean, my life is on my phone pretty much. Everything I do, I mean, thanks to my phone, I've done millions of dollars. Therefore, don't be scared of investing, guys, on what you know will yield you return. But an iPhone, thanks to like 100 pips a minute, I mean, yeah, when the market is marketing. When the market is marketing, of course. Okay, guys, price is approaching zone. Man, I have to tell you guys, I am not a huge fan of this zone. I am not a huge fan of this zone, but I will give it a chance and I will protect quickly. Okay, on it. But I have to admit, guys, I am not a huge fan of this zone. Because it's a trend reversal too, but price has already respected the trend reversal too, which means that we will see. I mean, maybe we catch a crazy trade, but I have to admit, guys, I am not a huge fan of this zone, as price already gave this reaction over here, which we could consider a reaction to a TR2. But we will see. For now, guys, I'm at a 100% win rate this month. Furthermore, I have caught some crazy trades this month. Man, I want to set this up. You know, I have here the 16 Pro Max, which I bought in January this year. And I didn't set it up until like May. And now just a few months after I bought this one, which actually I'm a bit mad I bought this one. There's no, not mad, but I'm like, I mean, it's just been like 5 months I bought this, I started using this one, or less, or 4 months, I don't even know. But sometimes when you say you're not a fan of the zone, you accidentally catch thousands of pips. Yeah, that also happens. That's also pretty common. We're different. I have lost thousands of dollars in just last month. Have lost half a year paycheck trading. That's not a thing to laugh about. I mean, man, if you are in my community this month, guys, this month has been insane in the community. We haven't missed a single trade, literally. I don't want to jinx it now. I don't want to jinx it now, but Yeah, nice Robert. Looking to SVX. No, guys, I only trade gold, guys. But do you see the trades I catch in gold? Like, why on earth would I want to focus on something else, especially when gold is so hot as it has been this past month and a half? Why would I even like just consider trading something else if gold has been giving me thousands of pips this past month? There's times that gold becomes boring, that trading becomes boring, where I consider trading other stuff. But guys, trading a new instrument is completely different thing. It's like you need to learn about it, you need to understand how it moves, you need to figure out how to apply your strategy in the most efficient way in that asset, and that takes a bunch of time. Therefore, even if I traded the S&P, NAS, Dow Jones, whatever, I wouldn't be sharing signals on it. I wouldn't be sharing with you guys my trades because I would be most likely testing it on super low balance and figuring out how to trade it the best way possible. Gold, I have been trading gold for what, 6 years? Therefore, for me, it's easy to trade gold. I mean, or not easy, but I really feel gold. I really understand gold. But yeah, guys, let me go grab some water and let me start taking some electrolytes, guys, because it's important to hydrate yourself. Let's go, welcome everyone. Entry point is in orange line. No, it's on the zone, guys. I always trade from tip of the zones. The thing is, the orange line, the reason for the orange line is because on this first zone, I will most likely protect very quickly. And if price taps me out on break even on this first zone, I will potentially wait for a re-entry on the orange line. That's exactly why the orange line is there. Or maybe if price approaches very aggressively the tip of the lower zone, I might wait to place my first entry on the orange line. Like always, guys. Let's go, boys. Please use audio tracker YouTube video. I don't know what's that. But guys, make sure you all subscribe and make sure you join my free Telegram in bio. I am live daily for free for everyone. By the way, Kevin Martinez very well identified the buy zone over here. I was also looking at it, but I'm quite strict on not entering before London session. Plus, I was picking up the iPhone. I was also looking at the 50% entry, which I believe you're mellow in the community. If I'm not mistaken, so very well identified that zone. Because when market is moving like this, that's the kind of entries I like to take. Because I'm almost guaranteed a very good reaction where I can protect and maybe walk away with a break even or get a crazy runner. Guys, exact entry price, stop loss and so on, you know, that's exclusive to the community. You guys know that is exclusive to the community. Yo, welcome boys, welcome. Make sure you all subscribe and make sure you all join my free Telegram in bio. I am live daily for free for everyone. Man, I have too much stuff on my table. Man, I bought a bunch of stuff from Apple. And this is not from Apple. And this is not from Apple. But I bought this charger, which I will see if this is any useful. I obviously bought this iPhone. I bought some cables and some adapters. Well, I actually didn't buy that much stuff. And another adapter. But yeah, we will see. We'll set it up whenever I feel like. You gotta do a shopping vlog. A shopping vlog, guys. You know, I hate shopping. Like, I really, really hate shopping. I like to go to the store knowing exactly what I want, knowing that they have exactly what I want, go there, pick up, and leave. I don't even try the clothes on when I go shopping. I'd rather return it after than just being there waiting in line to try the clothes, this, that, the guys trying to sell you all the time stuff and more stuff, especially here in Dubai. Everyone in Dubai is a salesman, but like crazy. I just get tired of that, you know? I just like to go straight. I know what I want. I pick it up. On to the next. What's the largest SL I place in terms of pips? So my rule is maximum 28 pips. That's my biggest stop loss, but very, very rarely I place 28 pips stop losses. From the bootcamp, please. Guys, I share my zone beforehand, but I do not know my exact entry price and I do not know my exact stop loss until I place the trade, until I click the sell button in this case. That's when I know where is my entry price and my stop loss, because sometimes on a zone like this I will enter right on the tip of the zone, or price will move suddenly and I will enter here on the orange line or whatever. I do not know my entry price. I do not trade pending orders. Since years I don't trade pending orders, and I get much better zones, much better entries. I don't miss that many trades. At the end of the day, guys, my profession is trading, therefore I am all day looking at the charts. I don't need pending orders because I am all day aware of the chart. I am all day aware of what gold is doing, what price is it at, is it approaching the zone, is it not? And let's see Goldilocks. By the way, guys, make sure you all subscribe and go join my free group in bio. I am going to be doing a vlog very soon, as well interviewing Tilen, my best student that has gotten over 100k in profit payouts. The only guy I ever did a one-to-one to. I don't do one-to-one mentorships. You guys beg me for one-to-one mentorships. I don't do one-to-one mentorships. I just did once to Tilen, which is one of my students. Man, his results speak for themselves. Oh, so good. Active hydration here with electrolytes. So welcome everyone, guys. Make sure you are all subscribing and make sure you all go join my free group in bio. I am live daily for free for everyone. Pink line represents, that's my fib level, my magical fib level. It is really magical fib level. Saying a little about your strategy. 10 confluences. If I have 4 out of the 10, I have a potential trade. If I have 8 or 9 or 10, I have a very good trade. So welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. Price is approaching the zone. It's actually very close to the zone. So let's see, boys. Let's see. By the way, I'm going to open spots to join community before I forget, because a lot of you guys are already messaging me. A lot of you are already messaging me, so let me open spots to join community quickly, because if not I will forget. And let's see, Goldilocks. Yo, do not spam, please. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go, Goldie. Let's go, Goldie. Let's go, Goldie. Why do you think to sell on gold? No, I would love to buy, but for now I only have this sell setup. For me, I'd much rather buy. Some members in the community shared very nicely this setup, which I missed. I actually had my eyes on, but I completely missed it because I was out. It was before my trading hours. By very little, actually. By very little. I was already at home. But I completely missed it. A lot of members did share this trade and take it, so congrats to them. I mean, members do a crazy job in the community. I'm very, very proud of my members. Yo, what is up with the spamming, guys? What is up with the spamming? Like the fact you guys, when you spam more and more and more, I just feel like not answering you, really. The buy was from 50 fib level, yes sir. Faceless you was cool. Those are some OG. That's some OG stuff. If you guys remember me when I went faceless on TikTok, man, I was the biggest streamer on TikTok. Those were some good old times. Let me just show you this. There we go. Let me just show you this. Some members caught very nicely. Oops, not on the vault. Members caught very nicely. I mean, look at the setups of the members, guys. Everyone just sniping entries, snipe after snipe after snipe. It is great to see. This is the trade I was talking about, this buy trade. A lot of members caught it. Beautiful sniper entries. This is Mellow. Right here, he's here in the call. Great analysis. I mean, well, The power of the strategy, guys, is just unmatched. It really is. Showing the setup beforehand, so very well done. Because that was a great setup, a setup I would have loved to take. So yeah, well done to him. Well done to him. Well done to him. Yo, Reddin, I already answered you like twice. Yo, welcome everyone. Welcome everyone, guys. Make sure you all subscribe. Go join the free group in bio because I'm about to open spots to join community for free. It is going to go crazy, so make sure you are all inside, boys, if you do not want to miss. Because I'm gonna open them right now before I forget, because I always say I'm gonna do it and then time goes by. I mean, like, to be honest, guys, you are very lucky. Like, my strategy is very fucking good. Like actually, guys. Like, actually, guys. You guys consider yourself lucky to having found me. Like, I always tell this, but it's true. Out of all of the bullshit there is out there in the trading space, especially, I mean, I must be one of the best, one of the few guys that genuinely makes you guys money. So consider yourself lucky, guys, to having found me. Like, really. True, but why you don't promote yourself more like these other traders on social media? Like, guys, I would love to do it. I would love to do it, but you have to understand, as a human being, I have limited hours and I also have limited capabilities. I mean, if my focus is to trade and to actually make money and to actually make you guys money, I can't be focusing on creating content at the same time. These traders you see mostly, or most of them, they are just content creators. That's really what they are. And then they will sell you a course. But really, their job is not to trade. It's not to spend all of the day on the charts like I do all of the day in meetings with investors, all of the day doing this stuff. Their job is to create content as a fashion content creator would do to then sell you a course or whatever. I'm not saying they are better or worse traders or whatever. I don't get into that. I don't care. But that's the way it works. Therefore, me, I am actually focusing on trading. I'm actually focusing on making money from the markets. Therefore, I can't be doing this and at the same time thinking about content, creating a content plan, having content ideas, and so on. Lives are good for me because going live for me is just an easy way of getting to new people while doing what I would do either ways, which is just sitting on the charts and waiting for God to get to my setups. Guys, my messages every time I open spots. Wow. just only with the EA, we changed the market. I mean, the EA is very crazy, guys. Like, it really is. I mean, it really, really is. It was one update since we had this week. The EA is at 100% win rate. Now it just took a break even on the sniper entry that it took. Exited on break even, which is okay. But I forgot what I was talking about, guys. When you start bombarding me with messages. Yeah, going back to what I was talking about, the EA, since we did one update, guys, every week has been insane. Every single week has been insane. Look, the EA on a 5K account, I mean, it's very nice, guys. For the past 2 weeks, on a 5K account, 1% risk per trade has made 1,460 US dollars. And this is, I think, like 200 or 300 people copying these entries. So that's why you say join my free Telegram roundabout 5 billion times each live. Exactly. I mean, guys, to be honest, I have such good products, such good services to offer that I really want to offer it, and I really want to make money offering trading products and services because they are actually good and they actually make you guys money. Therefore, I really want to push it and make as much money as I can because I know that what I'm doing is genuinely good, and you guys know it. You guys know it. Like those of you in the EA, those of you in the pro group, those of you with the copy trader, with everything, you guys know it. It's actually fucking good. Therefore, I want to push as much as I can. And let's see, Goldie. Been an elite member for over a year, and also I'm EA and everyone is loving it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, guys. Really appreciate you. I really do, guys. I mean, I'm just grinding for you all day, guys. You know it. You guys know it. You guys know it. I'm all day grinding for you. And you guys know it. And I'm very fucking proud of everything I've built, especially this year. Guys, this year for me has been crazy. I have built crazy stuff. I have achieved crazy stuff. Very nice. Okay, gold is approaching. Let me lock in, man. I really don't want to take the first loss of the month today. But we will see. We will see, because it's not, I'm not super confident on this zone, but the zone is there, therefore gotta trust it. Gotta trust it. Let me make sure everything is ready. I mean, and even if I take a loss, I really don't care. But I'm gonna try and be overprotective on this first entry, which will be on the tip of the zone, like always. And if it taps me out on break even and I see it okay, I might re-enter here at 47, where this orange line is at, following this trend reversal too from over here. So yeah, we will see. We will see, guys. In the meantime, make sure you all subscribe and join my free group in bio. Let's go. Welcome everyone. Guys, make sure you all subscribe and join my free Telegram in bio. I am live daily for free for everyone, sharing my analysis, my trades, and much more. Therefore, if you don't want to miss, just make sure you all hit that subscribe button, and make sure as well when subscribing you turn on the bell notifications. Let's go, let's go! Let's go, welcome everyone. Welcome everyone, let's see Goldie. Where people jumping in saying no sell. I actually like that. I like to go against everyone. I like to go against what everyone wants to do. Let's go, welcome boys. Welcome everyone. Like always, team, make sure you subscribe and join my free Telegram in bio. I am live daily for free for everyone. I am live daily for free for everyone. Share my analysis, my trades, and much more. Let's go, boys, let's go. Let's go, boys, let's go. Let's go, boys, let's go. Gold buy, obviously gold buy. Obviously, it's so clear. It's 100% going to buy. So welcome everyone. Welcome everyone. You said you don't have time to promote, but get someone, bro. You need to be bigger than these gurus. I swear they're annoying, guys. I have paid so many content people. I've tried everything. Either they do not deliver what they promise, or I do not commit enough, which is also an issue I have. Guys, I like to make money. I don't like to be thinking about content, thinking about doing that kind of stuff. Me, I enjoy making money. I enjoy making bread, boys. Come on, Goldie. Come on, Goldie. Come on, Goldie. Guys, make sure you all subscribe and go join my free group in bio. Guys, I will enter a trade in my zone, I will protect, and I will either walk away with a break even, with a win, or with a loss. Either ways, guys, I'm not gonna cry whatever the outcome is. Guys, price could push, destroy the zone, fly past the zone, take me out on stop loss. Price could 100% do that. That's why we manage risk. That's the importance of managing risk. That's the importance of managing risk, boys. Did I buy a house in Dubai? No, but I need to buy a home ASAP here in Dubai, guys. ASAP, I need to buy a home. Because for my price of rent, I could pay an entry to a home, and then the mortgage would be less than my monthly rent. Therefore, yeah, I need to buy a home ASAP. Or an apartment. I don't like homes. Too much effort, too much things can go wrong in a home. Well, they can go wrong, like gardening, whatever. It's too much headache. I mean, I need something easy, simple, something that allows me to just focus on work. I would just like to have a home here in Dubai just to set up a golf simulator. Really, I would just buy a home just to set up a nice garage, with a golf simulator, with a bowl, with a pool table, maybe with my cars, and maybe even have my trading setup there. Imagine how sick it would be, guys, having a garage where I have a golf simulator, my car. Now I'm most likely going to buy another car very soon, just an SUV, just to go play golf, just to have like a car to just go play golf. So lining up my cars with the golf simulator, my trading setup, wow, that would be sick, guys. That would be sick. Is Dubai tax-free for a trader? Yes. For a trader, it is tax-free. I mean, there's no capital gains tax, therefore, whatever you make from the markets is yours. Will I ever go back to Spain? Yeah, at some point I will go back to Spain. I have family there. I have family in Spain. Why you ignore us on DMs? Guys, everyone messaging from Ethiopia, you are all from ATA, from ACE. You guys already have access to the pro group. I'm not sure why you message me. Will I go back to live in Spain? Maybe I retire in the south of Spain. If I'm still as hooked as I am now to golf, I might retire in the south of Spain just to play golf all day, every day. Yeah, Barcelona is a wonderful place. Look, 2 months ago I got my watch stolen there, $50,000 watch stolen. Motherfuckers. No news on the watch, not for now. Not for now. I actually, a lot of stolen watches end up here in Dubai or in Hong Kong, so I want to also go to the Rolex stores here and notify it as stolen. How was my trip to Azerbaijan? Good. Amazing weather, very calm. People drive horrible there, by the way. People like actually drive very bad there, but it's okay. But yeah, guys, make sure you all subscribe and join my free Telegram in bio. I am live daily for free for everyone. How much USD is apartment in Dubai? My apartment is like 5k USD per month. And it's just a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom apartment, but it's in prime location. So yeah. So yeah, boys. But yeah, guys, make sure you all subscribe and join the free group in bio. Gold is approaching the zone. Let's hope it gets there sometime soon. And we catch a good one, boys. In New York are a little less, but still insane prices there, ranging between 3 to 6k. I think an apartment like mine in New York, in a prime location of New York, would be more than 5k US dollars per month. Buddy, how are you ignore DM on Telegram? Guys, because if you message from Ethiopia, you're not gonna get answered on Telegram, because you guys already have access. You guys already have access. You guys already have access. You haven't shared us your course, Alex. That's Zach will be in charge of that. You know, we're encountering one issue with you guys, which is that a lot of you, or not a lot of you, but you guys do something I hate, which is resending my stuff. Reselling my stuff, resending my stuff, and so on. Therefore, we are just making sure nobody can do that. Are you on days until and hang out in Dubai? Yeah, yesterday we went karting. Yesterday we went karting as 3. I think tonight we will go bowling. Just team building, spending time together. So yeah. So yeah, boys. This entry is at high risk. I mean, it says on the zone mid risk. What's my next car? Most likely I will buy a Range Rover Vogue. Most likely a Range Rover Vogue. By the way, guys, already 3 spots left to join community. Get married soon, bro. I am married with 2 kids, guys. I'm 23 years old. Not sure if I want to get married yet. Well, I don't want to get married yet. You know, I'm a guy that really enjoys his life. I like actually enjoy my life. And yeah, getting married right now at 22 years old for me, I don't think it would be the smartest decision. How many cars does Ace have? I don't know, guys. Ask him. Why are you asking me such questions? Bro, go for Porsche Cayenne, yeah. Porsche Cayenne, it's either a Vogue or a Porsche Cayenne, but I really like the Vogue car. And also, if I'm getting a driver and so on, I think the Vogue is a better, smarter play to be driven in. There is a Vogue that's insane. There is a Vogue that's insane. And it's very cheap to get driven in. I mean, people flex being driven in Dubai. I can get a full-time driver for nothing, for super cheap. Oh, come on, let's see gold. And let's see gold. And what was I going to look for in my... Sherry lady, through emotions. Have you talked to employees? Minimum salary in Dubai is low, guys. Minimum salary over here is low, boys. It's low. It is low, boys. It is low. But me, guys, I have massive respect for all of the hardworking people here in Dubai. Because man, sometimes I even feel like life is unfair, which at the end of the day I can't think that. But sometimes I feel life is unfair because I see people here like working in Deliveroo, Kareem, like Uber Eats, all of this stuff, just working their ass off all day for super little money, and I don't feel unfair because I'm like, fuck, I just sit down, I work for a bit, I trade for a bit, I have the EA, I have a team that manages pretty much everything and so on, and I make a bunch of money, and then I have these guys, I see these guys working much more than me, much harder than me, and making much less money. Sometimes I even feel bad, but at the same time, I then remember that, well, I've been through a lot of struggle, like work wise. I've been grinding non stop for many years as well. I'm still grinding non stop, but it's interesting. Don't know how to express this feeling. I do not know how to express this feeling. I don't know how to express this feeling. And let's see Goldie. Let's see Goldie. Let's see Goldie. I'm gonna send a private message. It is important for me. You can message me on Telegram. You can message me on TG. Let's go. Welcome everyone. Come on, Gold. Come on, Gold. I try Chinese luxury brand. Nah, I don't like them, guys. Sorry, but I don't like. I have nothing against Chinese people, but I just don't like their car brand. Like they are cool, they are futuristic, whatever, but not my vibe. Not my vibe at all. Not my vibe at all, boys and girls, girls and boys. Guys, can I learn your strategies privately? I do not do one-to-one. I do not do one-to-ones, unfortunately, but you have all of my strategy in the community, guys. You have everything I know, everything I've learned in the community. The community is packed with value, guys. Come on, boys. Come on, Goldie. Come on, Goldie. Boring London. Come on, Goldie. 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 Guys, make sure you all subscribe and join my free group in bio. I am live daily for free for everyone. Let me order some food. What can I order, guys? What should I order? I feel like Azerbaijan food. A pilaf or pilaf. But no, I need to eat healthier. Patience, yes sir. Yes sir. Order yourself a nice carbonara. That would also be a decent option. But no, I don't want to eat that many carbs. Fish, I should eat fish. That's 2000 pips. Thank you very much. Well, to be honest, it wasn't 2000 because I closed fully at 4K, but it was good. It was almost 2000. I mean, I could have kept on holding. By the time I woke up, price was at 4030 something, which that was 2200 pips. But I set my take profit, which I never use take profits. I never ever use set TPs. So let's see, boys. Let's see, boys. Oh, I didn't order the food. I want something healthy, guys. Leto. Leto is the move today. Wow, steak baguette. Steak baguette also looks interesting, huh? I'm gonna have a steak baguette. They sold it too good. They have sold it too good. Why you don't cook, guys? My time is limited. You want me to cook, to be live, to trade, to do everything I do? I can't. There's some things I have to drop. One of them is cooking. Unfortunately. How stressful is trading as a career? I would dare to say the initial stages are very stressful because especially if you are very active on the trading space in social media, the first stages can be very stressful because everyone flaunts how good they are. They say this, they say that, blah blah. And you're failing over and over. You're changing strategies. You don't progress. Therefore, most of the people are the first 2 3 years just stuck in a constant back to square one cycle, where they change a strategy, they and then back to square one. They try something new for 2 3 months, then change because it's not working, back to square one. And at the same time, you are seeing all of the traders and everyone out there sharing how much profits they're making and whatever bullshit. I think that's the most stressful period as a trader. For me now, the most stressful periods, or the most stress I suffer when trading, is when I'm not trading. When there's no setups, when the market is very boring, and I know everyone wants to trade, everyone wants me to send them signals and so on, and simply the market is not giving opportunities and I can't force it. So during those times, it's not like I'm actually stressed, but I'm like, fuck, I would like to trade, I would like to make money, I want to have everyone happy. But yeah, to be honest, trading becomes, once you start trading professionally, trading becomes very boring, very monotonous, always the same. Trading becomes very boring, but for me, for example, this month and last month have been extremely exciting in terms of trading. I mean, I've been trading maybe 3 4 times a week, and every setup has been playing out and getting crazy trades. I mean, it's been very exciting, but it's not always that exciting at all. At all. At all. But yeah, guys, in the meantime, make sure you all subscribe and join my free Telegram in bio. I am live daily for free for everyone. So if you do not want to miss, guys, just subscribe. What's up with my hair? How many screens do I have? I have 3 screens in total. I'm just catching up with some other work in the meantime while I wait. See, this is why I like streaming, because I can still do my stuff and at the same time just entertain myself talking to you guys while we wait for the setups. So yeah. Let's go, boys. Mario Group, you've been killing it. I have really been killing it, guys. I have really been killing it. I'm on one of my best win streaks right now, so that's always nice. I'm in one of my biggest win streaks, and that always feels nice. It's okay, just chill and wait for the opportunity to come, yes sir. Not much more we can do, really. Not much more to do, really. Not much more to do, really. It's been a while since you did a giveaway. Do you guys want a giveaway? Mul, if you do not like the lives, then nobody's forcing you to be here. Nobody forcing you to be here, my brother. Let's go. I could go a nice steak sandwich. I I ordered a steak sandwich, an entrecote sandwich. We will see what that's about. No guys, I love eating. I love eating like dirty things, like steak sandwich, stuff like that. Bah. go, welcome boys. It is sell. No, I'm waiting for my zone, guys. When am I getting a Patek Philippe? Looks like soon, guys, but now I have to pay rent for the whole year. I paid the whole year up front. Now it's next month it's rent payment. It's like 60k. A little bit more than 60k. That's a Patek Philippe there. Patek Philippe Aquanaut. And I think prices have gone up very high, so but yeah, next watch definitely will be a Patek. Wow, but they have gone up, or they are scamming me here, or they have gone up. Are you a fan of RM? Yeah. But guys, I can't buy an RM so early in my journey, because then I won't have stuff. I already have my dream car, and to be honest, I already have my dream watch. If I buy an RM now, then what watch am I going to aim for next? I mean, you need to always leave stuff to have room for ambition. If you complete the game so fast, then what's left to do? Let's see gold. Market lacking enough momentum to reach 40-45. We will see, but for price, like price has left this two highs here. Maybe if it comes up, it just breaks through zone. So we will see. We will try to keep it very cautious. Be very safe. We will see, boys. Did I try boys before? What does that even mean? If that means what I think it means, then no. No, I love women, boys. I like really, really love women. Sono confident mai in that zone. It's a mid-risk zone. Enter, protect, and that's it. Is there anything that you benefited living in Dubai as a trader? A lot of stuff, guys. Networking, safety, mindset, quality of golf, quality of restaurants, quality of people. No, guys, Dubai is not a tax-free country. There is a 9% corporate tax, but that's a corporate tax. There is no personal taxes, no taxes on real estate, but there is a 9% corporate tax and there is VAT. It's not a tax-free country as such. But the good thing is that it's a corporate tax, therefore, what I earn from trading doesn't go through any of my corporations, doesn't go through any of my businesses. It's my personal gains. That's tax-free. And by the way, guys, there is 2 spots left to join community spots, so they are flying well, like always, pretty much. All of my companies are in a free zone, but still there is taxes, guys. There is taxes, but there's also a lot of ways to get around them, obviously legally. Let's see, go. Do I live in Dubai Arena? No. I live in downtown. I don't like Marina. Too many people, too much traffic, too many tourists. Yeah, gold. Goldie, Goldie. Where can I learn your strategy in my community? It's free for you guys to learn. So you think the tech sector is in a bubble? No. When did I say that? Well, guys, I think I'm just gonna wait for price to approach the zone, and I will go live as soon as price gets closer to the zone. So yeah, make sure you subscribe, join the free group, and for now, see you all in the community while we wait for the setup, or if there's any other setup, I will let you know in the community in the meantime. Okay, boys, have an amazing day, and see you all in the community. Bye-bye. I do not do one-on-ones, guys. I do not do one-on-ones. I've only done once a one-on-one in my life. And that turned out to be my absolute best student, or my best student that I know about, because I also have guys that learn everything from me, become very good at trading, then don't give credit. It's okay, good for them, but... That's about VT markets. They delay my payout. They do not delay... sorry, my withdrawal. They do not delay anything. Make sure you have done your... make sure you have done your POA, your proof of address. I mean, I have over 7,000 members using VT markets. Not one person has had an issue. Whenever somebody has an issue with withdrawal, it's always the same. They haven't verified their address. VT markets is a fully regulated broker. Therefore, you need to verify your address to withdraw. Should we take the trade if you're offline? I will let you know. If in the case I'm offline, guys, you will all know in the community if I place the trade, if I not, or what's my move. But I will try to come back live. Let's verify and contact their support. Then contact their support. But yeah, guys, make sure you all subscribe, join the free group, and see you all in the community. Bye bye.